everyone! Let's master a new grammar point. Let's look at today's key sentence. She is right in front of the house. Okay, let's break this down. Today's skill is emphasizing the distance between two things. Here we have a cat and a box. So we can say the cat is next to the box. But if the two things are really close, we can say right. For example, the cat is right next to the box. When we want to show that two things are really close together, we can say right or just followed by a preposition of place or an adverb of place. Here are some common adverbs of place. For example, here, there, over there, upstairs, downstairs, inside, outside. Or some common prepositions of place. On, in, at, in front of, next to, behind, under, above, between. Okay, let's have a look at the structure. We start off by using right or just. Then we use a preposition of place, for example, next to. Then we use a noun, for example, the table. This becomes, it is right next to the table. Here's another structure. We can use right or just with an adverb of place. For example, over there. This becomes, oh, it's right over there. Okay, let's look at some examples. Please listen and repeat after me. Your keys are right over there. Oh, the truck is right behind you. Your glasses are right on your laptop. The bench is right between the two trees. I swam right below the shark. The cat is right next to the clock. Thank you very much for watching today's class. If you would like to practice the grammar, please leave an example sentence in the comments below. Also, if you found today's lesson helpful, please consider liking or subscribing. Bye.